Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a Crash 370Z in, and I'm going to show you how to remove your center dash cubby area and also your radio. All right, so first things first, getting the shift knob off. This is just like a lefty-loosey thing, and they're like really tight. So if you're struggling, don't think you're weak or anything. If you're replacing the knob, don't lose this washer. I guess that's key. So I'm going to keep that inside there. Kind of put your fingers in the shift boot itself and then pull back. A little plug back here. Push down on the tab, pop that out. All right, so I'm going to show you the tools needed to continue getting the center cubby and the radio out. We have a flathead, we have a pry tool, and we have a Phillips head. So first things first, we are going to get these two screws right here on the bottom. There's one there, and there's one here. Once you get that out, you'll be able to pull this out forward towards you. And then we do have clips and plugs in here. So under the passenger side, there's an airbag light right here. And then on the driver's side, we are going to have the ignition button. Whoops. I'm just gonna press on the bottom of that with the flathead, kind of give it a little twist. And then once the ignition plug is unplugged, we can remove this and we can continue getting the radio out. All right, so now that the center console cubby section is out, we're gonna have 8 screws to take out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got this one way back in there, 5, and then same side, we got 6, 7, and 8. So let's pull those off and get this radio out of here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that we have that out, the front portion will come out. And this car was crashed, so it was a pretty bad crash, so things are a little tighter than normal. Normally that comes out a lot easier. We're gonna have one plug on the back of the AC control module. Unplug that. Now we can pull the radio out. We already got so these are where those two were that I was showing you that are kind of hidden. You can also get it out after you get the AC control module out, but I just like to do it at the same time while I have my tool in my hand. And then there's gonna be these 2 tabs up here. You don't have to like move anything, you just kind of got to give it a little tug, pull this out. The factory gives you quite a bit of harness to deal with, so we're gonna have 3 plugs on the back of here. We'll start on the top. There's one, there's a little side pusher on this one, not on the top, so that's on the side. And then this is the AC control box. Push down, you heard it disengage, and then we should be able to work it out then. All right, there you go. So that is how you remove your radio, and it is also how you access your AC control module box.